Morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about biological classification. Already you have learned about the different types of classification. Two kingdom system of classification, five kingdom system of classification. Who proposed two kingdom system of classification? Linnaeus. Okay. Five kingdom system of classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker. What is the first kingdom in Whittaker's classification? The first kingdom is Monera. Second kingdom is Protista. Third one is fungi. Fourth one is plantae. And fifth one is Animalia. Okay, among these kingdoms, in one kingdom, Monera, that's prokaryotic organisms were placed in kingdom Monera. How many types of organisms are there in the living world? Mainly based on the presence or absence of well-developed nucleus, two types of cells are there, two types of organisms. What are they? Prokaryotic organisms and eukaryotic organisms. So all the prokaryotic organisms were placed in kingdom Monera in Whittaker's classification. Okay, na? Whereas eukaryotic organisms were placed in four kingdoms: the Protista, fungi, plantae, Animalia. These four kingdoms possess eukaryotic organisms. Means in these kingdoms, well-developed the organisms cells consist of well-developed well-developed nucleus is absent in the kingdom Monera. Okay? So from this concept, regarding the objective point of view, prokaryotic organisms were placed in which kingdom? Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, fungi. Option D, plantae. What is the question? Prokaryotic organisms were placed in which kingdom? Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, fungi. Option D, plantae. So what is the answer? Prokaryotic organisms were placed in kingdom Monera. Okay, na? And sometimes they may ask from this concept, same concept. Eukaryotic organisms were placed in which kingdoms as per Whittaker's classification? Option A, Protista. Option B, fungi. Option C, plantae and Animalia. Option D, all of the above. All of the above. What is the question? Eukaryotic organisms were placed in which of the kingdoms? Which of the following kingdoms? Option A, Protista. Option B, fungi. Option C, plantae and Animalia. Option D, all of them. So option D is the correct answer, because the Protista, fungi, plantae and Animalia are consist of eukaryotic organisms. Is it clear? Okay, now the Protista is consist of unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Some are unicellular and some are the multicellular. Eukaryotic organisms are, some are unicellular, some are multicellular. Unicellular means they are made of one cell, single cells. Multicellular, multi means many. The multicellular organisms are made of several cells. Among these four kingdoms, unicellular eukaryotic organisms were placed in the kingdom Protista. Multicellular eukaryotic organisms were placed in fungi, plantae and Animalia. Okay? So all these four kingdoms are consist of eukaryotic organisms. Kingdom Protista is consist of unicellular eukaryotic organisms, whereas fungi, plantae and Animalia kingdoms are consist of multicellular eukaryotic organisms. Is it clear? So from this concept, regarding objective point of view, they may ask, unicellular eukaryotic organisms were placed in which kingdom? Option A, Protista. Option B, fungi. Option C, plantae. Plantae and animalia. Option D, all of the above. What is the question? Unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Unicellular eukaryotic organisms were placed in Protista. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, na? Okay. Next, multicellular eukaryotic organisms placed in which kingdoms? Option A, fungi. Option B, plantae. Option C, animalia. Option D, all of the above. What is the question? Multicellular eukaryotic organisms were placed in which of the following kingdoms? So fungi, plant and animalia consist of multicellular organisms. So which option is the correct answer? Option D, all of the above. Fungi, plant and animalia, all these three kingdoms possess multicellular eukaryotic organisms. Okay, na? So based on this same concept, different types of questions they may ask. Multicellular organisms placed in eukaryotic organisms placed in which kingdom? Then what is the answer? Eukaryotic organisms placed in which of the kingdom? Option A, Protista. Option A, Protista. Option B, fungi. Option C, plantae and animalia. Option D, all of them. This is one type of the question. Sometimes they may ask unicellular eukaryotic organisms placed in which of the kingdom? Then option A is the correct answer, Protista. Sometimes they may ask which of the following kingdoms possess multicellular eukaryotic organisms? Then which option is the correct answer? Option D is correct answer. Fungi, plantae, animalia possess multicellular eukaryotic organisms. Okay, whereas in comparison way, they may ask which of the following kingdoms possess prokaryotic organisms and eukaryotic organisms respectively? Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, Monera and Protista. Monera and Protista. Option D, Protista and Monera. Already highlighted about the different types of kingdoms in Whittaker's classification. First kingdom Monera, second Protista, third one is fungi, fourth one is plantae, and fifth one is the animalia. From this concept, regarding objective point of view, need point of view, they may ask the question: which of the following kingdom is possess only prokaryotic organisms? Means option D is the correct answer. Which of the following kingdoms possess prokaryotes and eukaryotic unicellular organisms respectively? Means option C is the correct answer. Kingdom Monera is prokaryotic, Protista is unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Then option C is the correct answer. Okay. So sometimes they may ask which of the following kingdoms are possess unicellular eukaryotes and prokaryotic organisms respectively. Then option D is the correct answer. What is the option D? Protista and Monera. Protista, eukaryotic kingdom. Monera, prokaryotic kingdoms. Okay? Is it clear? Next we have to know about the few things in Whittaker's classification. Chlamydomonas and chlorella. Chlamydomonas and chlorella are the unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Means they are made of the single cells. In earliest classification, suppose in the two kingdom system of classification. The two kingdom system of classification was proposed by Linnaeus. Chlamydomonas chlorella placed in algae in earliest classification. Whereas in Whittaker's classification, Chlamydomonas and chlorella algae were placed in kingdom Plantae. kingdom Plantae. Plantae is the fourth kingdom. Okay. Paramecium and amoeba. Paramecium and amoeba are the unicellular eukaryotic protozoans. So paramecium and amoeba. Paramecium appears like a slipper, hence that is known as a slipper animalcule. Here this is a diagrammatic representation of paramecium. Cilia are the motility organs in paramecium. Okay, this cell membrane is possesses several minute motility organs. These are known as the cilia. And red color spherical shaped structure is represent the nucleus. So this is a diagrammatic representation of paramecium. Whereas right side one diagrammatic representation is amoeba. Amoeba is consist of the pseudopodia motility organs or false feet. In earliest classification, paramecium and amoeba were placed in kingdom Animalia. Whereas in Whittaker's classification, paramecium and amoeba unicellular, these organisms placed in were placed in kingdom Protista. Did you get a difference? In the earliest classification, paramecium and amoeba organisms were placed in kingdom Animalia. Whereas in Whittaker's classification, the paramecium amoeba organisms were placed in kingdom Protista. Okay? So from this concept, regarding objective point of view, paramecium and amoeba organisms were placed in which of the following kingdom? Option A Monera, option B Protista, option C both, option C both A and B, option D Animalia. What is the question? Paramecium and amoeba organisms were placed in which of the following kingdom as per Whittaker's classification? What are the given options? Option A Monera, option B Protista, option C both A and B, option D Animalia. Which paramecium and amoeba organisms were placed in which of the following kingdom as per Whittaker's classification? As per Whittaker's classification, then option B is correct answer. Okay? As per Linnaeus classification, then what is the answer? Paramecium and amoeba organisms were placed in which of the following kingdom as per Linnaeus classification or two kingdom system of classification? Then answer is D. Option D is correct answer. Option D is correct answer. And that is Animalia. Okay, as per Linnaeus classification, paramecium amoeba organisms were placed in kingdom Animalia. As per Whittaker's classification, paramecium and amoeba organisms were placed in kingdom Protista. Okay, is it clear? Thank you, my dear students. So next class we will discuss the in detail concept of the kingdom Monerans.